Kia ora team, we're going to look at part 2 of our health session. So we're going to work through this document here, HyperDoc. So let's start through our instructions. So a few instructions to get you started to make sure that you know what you're doing. We'll be looking at topping you up as we go throughout our 2-week period until the holidays. So contents page, so we're going to look at a bit of hygiene and COVID-19 stuff, as well as some practical stuff just to check what your understanding is. If you click on this video, this link here, well, it's a hyperlink which will take you to a few instructions. Okay, it's working through. So part 1 is the hygiene aspect. So there's a bit of content to get through, so just make sure you have your basic understanding, which you should do from part 1. There's questions related to COVID-19. There's a few videos and articles, etc., that you need to click in to get your content. So again, it's a bit of watch videos here. Then we're looking at some questions, so you need to provide some understanding. So what does COVID-19 spread? How does it, spread, etc., etc. So just working through a few questions. There's a few practical things here that you need to complete. So click on the boxes and it will allow you to write your answers into. Some more answers. We go in there from the questions. Some more questions here. So what are your family members, etc. We need to provide a couple of rules that your household could implement. So again, click in for to be able to write in. And then finally, we're going to look at explain in your own words how COVID-19 has affected your hauora. So we haven't covered hauora yet in great depth. So basically what we're doing today is covering a bit of hauora, so what it is, and then providing some sort of answers in that. So that's what we are going to look at in today's health session.